Now let us understand an important reality of selling on Amazon with a simple example. Suppose the product I sell costs $40. If I set a $1,000 advertising budget and run an automatic targeting campaign, the number of orders generated will depend on several factors such as click cost, conversion rate, competition, and how well the listing converts visitors into buyers. In a reasonably performing campaign, a $1,000 budget might generate around 600 to 1,000 clicks, depending on the average cost per click. If the listing converts well, this could result in roughly 60 to 100 orders. However, this is very important to understand. If the campaign is poorly optimized, the results can be much worse. In some situations, especially when the campaign targeting is not properly optimized or the listing does not convert well, that same $1,000 advertising budget might generate only 10 to 20 orders. If I spend $1,000 on advertising and only receive 15 orders, my total revenue at $40 per order would be $600. When I subtract the advertising expense, the remaining amount becomes negative $400. But even in cases where the revenue covers the advertising cost, sellers still need to subtract the product cost, shipping cost, Amazon referral fees, packaging cost, and other operational expenses. After calculating all these costs, the profit may become very small or even negative. This is why many beginners make a mistake. They only look at revenue from sales, but they do not carefully calculate the total costs involved, especially advertising costs. That is why advertising campaigns must always be managed carefully. Generating sales does not automatically mean the business is profitable. If advertising costs are too high compared to the product margin, a seller can easily lose money even while receiving many orders. By understanding how advertising spend, product, price, and conversion rate interact with each other, sellers can evaluate whether their campaigns are sustainable. Instead of focusing only on the number of orders, experienced sellers pay close attention to how much it costs to generate each sale. This type of calculation also helps sellers make smarter decisions when setting advertising budgets. If a seller knows that their advertising costs are approaching or exceeding their available profit margin, it becomes a clear signal that the campaign needs optimization. In practical terms, this knowledge helps sellers adjust their bids, improve their product listings, refine their keyword targeting, and manage their advertising budgets more responsibly. Understanding these relationships is one of the key skills required to run profitable advertising campaigns on Amazon.